In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an icon in Figma. We'll walk through a simple, practical way to adjust the size of any icon, and I'll also share a few tips to help you keep your designs clean and consistent as you work. First, make sure you have your Figma file open and you can clearly see the icon you want to resize on the canvas. It might be part of a component, a frame, or just a standalone vector. Zoom in a little if you need to, so it's easy to see what you're doing. To start, click directly on the icon. You should see a bounding box appear around it, with small handles on the corners and edges. This tells you the icon is selected and ready to be transformed. If you're not seeing the box, you may have clicked on a group or frame instead of the icon itself. In that case, double-click until you drill down to the exact layer that contains the icon. Once the icon is selected, you can resize it by dragging the box. Move your mouse to one of the corner handles of the bounding box. Click and drag inwards to make the icon smaller, or outwards to make it larger. As you drag, you'll see the icon scale in real time. To keep the proportions consistent and avoid stretching, hold down the Shift key while you drag. This is especially important for icons because even a slight distortion can make them look off. Keep an eye on the size values in the Properties panel as you drag, especially if you're aiming for a specific dimension, like 24 by 24 pixels or 48 by 48 pixels. Consistent icon sizes help keep your interface looking polished and professional. If you prefer more precision or you want to avoid dragging altogether, you can also go to the Layout or Design panel on the right side of the screen. With the icon still selected, look for the width and height fields. Here, you can type in the exact size you want. Make sure the lock icon between width and height is enabled if you want the aspect ratio to stay locked so the icon scales evenly in both directions. After entering your new size, press enter and Figma will resize the icon automatically. This method is great when you need multiple icons to match exactly, or when you're following a specific design system, and that's it.